All right, hello, my name is Rich and I'm having a bad hair day. Welcome to my channel, Light Street Creations. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please excuse the mess. It's been a lot of chaos in the wood shop in the garage. So I'm in a dilemma. I don't really have much Christmas decorations as far as things that I've crafted is concerned. The only thing I really have right now is this snowman that's made out of pallet wood. And then on the other side there is a scarecrow. So that's it right there. Um, the dilemma is I need to get on to Pinterest and Google and Etsy and all those websites and basically figure out what I'm going to make for Christmas this year. So I wanted to show you one thing that I did make for fall decor is these pumpkins that are made out of 4x4s. I got this idea off of Pinterest. It's just basically a block of wood with a dowel at the top, and you wrap this stuff around it. And that's it. I sell these in sets of 3. They're pretty good sellers. Another thing that I have is I made this a couple of years ago. I did a video on it. Is my pumpkin. Let me scoot back a little bit. So that's something else that I made. But I have a lot of fall decor, but I don't have a lot of Christmas decor. So I got to get in the shop and I got to get making stuff. But first I need to get onto these websites and get some inspiration. So I'm just curious if you could put a comment below. Where do you get your inspiration from? Where do you find your ideas? Is it Pinterest and Google and Yahoo and what's some other websites? Etsy. Etsy is a good one. So just let me know. Write a comment down below. Where do you get your inspiration from? Because I need to get some inspiration to start crafting some things for the Christmas season. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?